Experiencing call issues with Cricket Wireless can be incredibly frustrating. Whether you can't make calls, receive calls, or your calls keep dropping, there are several common causes behind these problems. Recent data shows that call problems fall into four main categories. Understanding these categories is the first step to getting your service working properly again. Signal and coverage issues are the most common, accounting for 45% of all call problems. These occur when your phone can't connect properly to Cricket's network towers. Device compatibility issues make up 25% of problems. This happens when your phone doesn't support Cricket's current network technology, especially after recent 5G upgrades. SIM card problems account for 20% of call issues. Your SIM card can fail due to physical damage, age, or network provisioning errors. Finally, account and billing issues cause 10% of call problems. These include service suspensions, plan restrictions, or account synchronization errors. Let's examine signal and coverage issues in more detail. These problems occur when your phone can't maintain a strong connection to Cricket's network towers. Signal problems include network congestion during peak hours, geographic dead zones in rural or indoor areas, and device antenna issues that prevent proper signal reception. SIM card problems are another major cause of call issues. Your SIM card is the small chip that identifies your phone to Cricket's network. Common SIM card issues include physical damage, like scratches or corrosion, network provisioning errors where the system doesn't recognize your SIM, and age-related degradation after 4 to 5 years of use. Account and billing issues can also prevent calls from working properly. These problems occur when there's an issue with your Cricket account status or settings. Account-related problems include service suspensions due to payment issues, plan restrictions that block certain features, and account synchronization errors with Cricket's network database. Device compatibility issues have become more common with Cricket's transition to newer network technologies. Older phones may not support the required protocols for making calls. Compatibility problems include phones that don't support voice over LTE technology, devices incompatible with Cricket's 5G network expansion, and older phones that lack proper network authentication protocols. Now that you understand the four main categories of Cricket wireless call issues, you're ready to diagnose and fix your specific problem. In the next section, we'll walk through step-by-step solutions for each of these issue types. Now we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process to fix your Cricket wireless call issues. We'll cover signal problems, SIM card issues, account verification, and advanced solutions. Step 1. Check your signal strength. Your device needs a minimum of -85 dBm for reliable calls. Anything weaker will cause call failures and dropped connections. Here's how to interpret signal strength readings. Excellent signal shows -50 to -80 dBm. Good signal ranges from -80 to -90. Fair signal is -90 to -100. Poor signal is -100 to -110. Anything below -110 is considered a dead zone. If your signal is weak, try these immediate fixes. Restart your device to refresh network connections, move to a different location with better coverage, or go outside if you're indoors. Step 2. Address SIM card problems. SIM cards can fail due to physical damage, age, or improper seating. Cards older than 3 years are particularly prone to authentication failures. First, try reseating your SIM card. Power off your device completely, remove the SIM card, check for damage or dirt, clean it gently with a dry cloth, and reinsert it properly. If reseating doesn't work, your SIM card may need replacement. Contact Cricket customer service if your card is over 3 years old, shows physical damage, or continues to cause authentication errors. Step 3. Verify your account status. Service suspensions due to payment issues or plan incompatibility are common causes of call failures that users often overlook. Check these account-related issues, verify your payment status, and ensure no service suspension. Confirm your plan is compatible with current network requirements, and check for feature restrictions like call blocking or parental controls. Step 4. Advanced solutions for persistent issues. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your call problems, these technical fixes address deeper network configuration issues. First, try IMEI re-registration. This updates your device registration with the network. You can do this through Cricket customer service or by dialing *#06# from your device. Next, check your APN settings. Access point name configuration tells your device how to connect to Cricket's data network. Incorrect APN settings can prevent calls from connecting properly. If these steps don't resolve your issue, visit a Cricket store for professional hardware diagnosis. Technicians can test your device's antenna, check for internal damage, and determine if a device replacement is necessary. Following these 4 steps systematically will resolve most Cricket wireless call issues. Start with signal strength, check your SIM card, verify account status, and use advanced solutions only when needed.